Have you ever wondered why fighter jets release fuel mid-air? It's a common practice, especially for jets that need to land on aircraft carriers. Before a mission, fighter jets are filled with only the necessary amount of fuel required to complete the mission. For example, an F-16 fighter jet's fuel tank can hold 450 gallons of fuel, which weighs approximately 1,400 kilograms. If the jet carries more fuel than needed, the excess weight increases its momentum. This makes landing on the short runway of an aircraft carrier challenging. To avoid this, fighter jets release their extra fuel mid-air before landing. The fuel evaporates into the atmosphere as fumes, ensuring a safer and smoother landing.